Now, Trump's lawyers want to use the Supreme Court's decision to grant Trump presidential immunity to help him in his criminal case in Florida over the mishandling of classified documents. Trump's team said in a new court filing on Friday that they want an updated schedule in the federal classified documents case so they can argue points about the Supreme Court's decision. Trump's lawyers wrote that the decision corroborates the office's position that President Trump has no immunity, and further demonstrates the politically motivated nature of their contention that the motion is frivolous. The federal case involving efforts to subvert the 2020 election in Washington, D.C. is directly affected by the Supreme Court's decision, but it may also have an impact on all 4 criminal cases against the former president. In the recording Friday, Trump's lawyers likewise noted equity Clarence Thomas' simultaneousness to the choice, scrutinizing the legitimacy of unique guidance Jack Smith's arrangement. The concurrence, according to Trump's lawyers, adds force to the motions Trump has filed against Smith's appointment and funding. According to a previous CNN report, Trump's legal team intended to use this week's Supreme Court opinion to try to get key evidence in the classified documents case thrown out. Friday's filing is the first step in that direction. The move probably will make the already complicated and slow path to trial in Judge Aileen Cannon's Fort Pierce, Florida, courtroom even longer. A number of pre-trial issues remain unresolved, including motions that have been sitting on her docket for months. Among them is a solicitation from Trump to excuse the vast majority of the charges since Trump's group says he has official resistance for his choice to eliminate the ordered records he clutched in Florida from the White House in the last hours of his administration. Although Cannon has not been to a hearing on the matter, she is likely to take into account the Supreme Court's recent decision, which states that the president's core constitutional powers are immune from prosecution and that courts may need to examine other actions a president takes more closely to see if they are also immune. Thomas wrote about the special counsel's office's legality in the historic opinion that was released on Monday. He said that he thought Smith might not be a legitimately appointed prosecutor under the Constitution. This issue had not even been brought up by Trump's team in the D.C. case, however. During a hearing before Cannon last week, Trump's legal team and Smith's prosecutors argued extensively about it, with Trump's team agreeing with Thomas's position. At the hearing, Cannon, a Trump appointee, showed some interest in Trump's arguments, but he hasn't decided anything yet.